Let them walk then.
Put in. What's crazy is how they've left this, all the stock has been left. Some definitely didn't do bad surviving. Look at all that. Thousands of stock.
Oh, floppy disk. This is where being lanky doesn't help.
No.
The guy over there stopped and watching. Let them walk then.
Aye. Oh. No, it wasn't as trash. Last time it was quite clean. It was quite clean. There wasn't as much crap everywhere. Found a toy to play with.
Yeah.
I think what we saw last time. Toilets. These. Loads of them amongst this. These have all been taken out by drenched by the water. Flowers. Yes. sun. So what's crazy is how they've left us. All the stock has been left. So imagine what it was like before any fire. All this is stock, and a hell load of it. Some didn't do bad surviving. Some definitely didn't do bad surviving. There's plenty of cards for special occasions here. Flowers, landscape, all hidden amongst this lot. Yeah, for when they put the fire out. Yeah. There's thousands of these of all different types. So you got them, and then if you look under, as I move the store,
What you see it?
where all the melted bit is. Look at all that. Thousands of stock.
So somebody just got like
Yeah. Like them.
oh, that's an old floppy disk. That's what they all say. Jeez. Last time I saw one of them were in the 90s.
Got more of the printing stuff. There you go. Alright, I'm going to come round and get some photos of them. More of the cards. You also got all these as well, which are everywhere. Christmas stars, put on your bows. As you can see, I'll see if I can find a clean one. There you go. Christmas gift tags. So greeting cards.
That's what the star things are, isn't it?
Yeah. So you got the gift tags, you got the Christmas cards, you got the special occasion cards. Thousands of it, and half the stock is still actually in decent condition underneath where there's been a fire. So not bad though, Explore. This is all the printing area. This is where they'll be printing all the stuff that you've just seen. As you can see, where they would have put it down. You got all the other printers here. You got all the taxings here. Oatley and Co. Polythene, not printed. Linen cloth storybooks. That's one of the invoices. for automatic RPS 24. This top bit. Oh, it stinks like sewage here. This will be from the water leak. It's open space. So the original access that we found originally, until we found an easier one, was literally there. That was the access in and out. You climb up through the windows and out. It's very empty. To be fair, there's still some good stuff in there. It's not completely empty. It's still got printing machines and that still left. It's got a fair few things left in there. Yeah, empty on this side. All the fans, which are everywhere, still hanging. More stock here. All their invoices all stored in there. More storage there. So I hope you enjoyed this video of originally a die factory and a printing place for cards, Christmas stuff, special occasions. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.